ready to get on the air. Boom.
But yeah, if it's really low,
So this is
with all those weeds over there, it's not worth it.
Yeah, you're going to get hung up with
the
That
Neptune.
that salad hanging up.
Beautiful.
I was like, oh my god.
Come on. It's a beauty. Winng. Very light. And it glides. Beautiful. Come on. There it is. So I have it with S-Boss, FR Sky, and Sun flight controller to control different mode. And let's see. Nice. So let's go. Let's go and fly. This is a beauty. You're gonna see.
And I want to look again because it's not going to bother me.
So we're gonna go that way. It's very flat and very nice. Look at this. And very light. And we're going there. With the grass is bad. Not to worry. It has two holes down there, and you can really grab it very nicely. So it's not very hard to throw it. So we're gonna try to fly. Let me see. Close. Okay. Boom. So you don't have to give it all the way throttle, but see? Look at that. So we're gonna try to fly close because otherwise it's hard to see it. It's very docile. Look at this. Very little throttle. Huh? Look at that. Wow. Okay. Let's come back. Good. Other way. Look at that. No throttle at all. It glides. Unbelievable. So we're gonna come back here. So now it's into the wind. Let's see if we can do some hurry. So this is a very good one to fly SPV, because look, it's unbelievable how docile it is. Perfect. CG is unbelievable perfect there, look. No throttle at all, nothing.
Yeah, you have geckos down there. They live in your house. You have pet geckos. You should eat them damn things.
Oh,
Timer 1 elapsed.
almost there, almost hit it. See, sometimes, you have to be careful with altitude and throttle. But that was my mistake. It wasn't the wing. It's always the pilot. It's a beauty how it turns. I can't keep going forever, really. But to end the video, is a beauty, dude. I recommend it 100%.